Hi everyone, this is Abdul from Mockat, and today we are sharing the news for 12th January, continuing our series to help you prepare for your WAT and PI and get through IIMs and other top B schools. The actual news articles from which we have taken these key points are listed in our daily news section. Its link is in our description and first pinned comment. Please check it out. Today's top 5 news headlines are: Budget 2024, a guide to understanding the complex terms. Hawker-free Colaba makeshift hospital. Mumbai's makeover as PM set to launch 22-kilometer sea link. US Indian satellite to monitor Earth's changing frozen regions. Why India should use Maldivian self-goal to push tourism in Lakshadweep. Cyber inequity AI key risks in 2024, says World Economic Forum. Let's look at the first news. Budget 2024, a guide to understanding the complex terms. The Union Budget 2024 is an interim budget for the next financial year to be presented on February 1, 2024 and marks the last budget by the Modi government before 2024 Lok Sabha election. The Economic Survey is a key document summarizing the state of economy, providing a foundation for the upcoming financial year's budget. A grant made in advance by the Parliament to cover estimated expenditures for a part of new financial year, pending the completion of voting procedures on demand for grants and the passing of the Appropriation Act. The guide introduces key financial terms such as gross domestic product, capital expenditure, budget estimate, finance bill, fiscal deficit, and the distinction between direct and indirect taxes. The budget may address issues like affordable housing through potential deductions for home loans. Additionally, there's an anticipation for changes in tax deducted at source rate and discussions about corporate tax, minimum alternative tax, and the concept of disinvestment. The next news is Hawker-free Colaba makeshift hospital. Mumbai's makeover as Prime Minister set to launch 22-kilometer sea link. Prime Minister Modi inaugurates the Mumbai Trans Harbour Link, a 21.8-kilometer sea bridge costing Rs 21,200 crores, aiming to serve 70,000 vehicles daily and enhance connectivity to airports Pune, Goa, and South India. For the Prime Minister's visit, a 500-bed hospital with 50 ICU beds was set up in Raigad and 50 ambulances deployed. Colaba's streets were cleared of hawkers for PM Modi's sea bridge inauguration. PM Modi's Maharashtra visit itinerary includes inaugurating the 27th National Youth Festival in Nasik and laying the foundation stone for multiple development projects worth more than Rs 12,700 crores in Navi Mumbai. The heightened preparations and activities surrounding the PM Modi's visit indicate significant infrastructural developments and safety measures being implemented to ensure a successful and incident-free event. The next news is about US Indian satellite to monitor Earth's changing frozen regions. NASA and ISRO will jointly launch the NISAR radar satellite in January 2024 to study Earth's vital signs including wetlands, volcanoes, and ice dynamics. Focusing on regions like Antarctica and Greenland, NISAR will offer insights into ice sheet and sea ice changes, aiding scientists in understanding key processes. The NISAR satellite will use two radars, an L-band system with a 10-inch wavelength and an S-band system with a 4-inch wavelength. Its orbit orientation will allow data collection from Antarctica's interior, aiding in better understanding the rate of ice loss and its implications for sea level rise. The satellite's observations will enhance understanding of accelerated ice losses since the 1990s in Antarctica and Greenland, tracking changes in mountain glaciers and monitoring Arctic sea ice changes. This information is crucial for predicting future environmental changes and their impacts. NISAR signifies a significant collaboration between NASA and ISRO, marking the first time both agencies have cooperated on hardware development for an Earth observing mission. Each agency contributes unique expertise and components to make this mission successful. Next news is about why India should use Maldivian self-goal to push tourism in Lakshadweep. The recent diplomatic tension between India and the Maldives emphasizing how India can leverage this situation to boost tourism in Lakshadweep. The Maldives faced a setback in its tourism industry due to unsavory comments about Prime Minister Modi, leading to mass cancellations by Indian tourists. This incident can be used by India to promote Lakshadweep as an alternative tourist destination. This highlights the historical neglect of Lakshadweep and draws parallel with past neglect in Northeast, calling for a change in policy to develop the region. PM Modi's recent initiatives such as the Kochi Lakshadweep Islands Submarine Optical Fiber Connection Project and Solar Project are a positive step towards development, connectivity and ecological sustainability in Lakshadweep. Balanced approach to development and ecological preservation in Lakshadweep, suggesting that sustainable development including tourism can coexist with environmental conservation. The last news is about cyber inequality AI key risks in 2024, says World Economic Forum study. A World Economic Forum study identifies cyber inequity and the risks associated with the emerging technologies like artificial intelligence as major challenges in global cybersecurity for 2024. The study highlights a growing gap in cyber resilience among organizations. While larger entities improve, smaller firms see a 30% drop in maintaining minimum cyber resilience from the previous year. The report highlights the impact of AI and generative AI on elections across more than 45 countries, comprising over 50% of world's GDP. The study suggests that AI advances greater risks to elections than deepfakes or misinformation. There is a widening shortage of cyber skills and talent, with only 50% of organizations expressing optimism about significant improvements in cyber skills and education over the next 2 years. The study emphasizes the need for public-private collaboration against cyber threats. It highlights that 41% of organizations faced cybersecurity incidents from third parties in the past year, emphasizing both their value and challenges. These are the 5 news for today. If you like this video and found this useful, please give a like and subscribe to our channel. We will be posting more videos which will be helpful for your preparation. Thank you and all the best.